Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. So today I have already read my Bible, done all those things, and I'm going to the thrift store in a little bit, so I figured I'd bring you guys along and also share with you guys some books that I've bought recently and maybe talk to you guys about books that I have been reading. I have been reading my Pray book, which is downstairs right now, so I cannot show that to you. So yeah, so I will share with you guys the books that I've recently bought, and yeah, and then I'll show you guys what I get from the thrift store, if I get anything. You know, the thrift is hit or miss. So yeah, I figured I'd just come on here, say hello, and bring you guys along for my day. Hello, we're back. I am back from the thrift store, and I figured I would share with you guys what I got. I figured I would also share with you the books that I mentioned earlier that I've bought recently. So the first thing I got at the thrift store is actually, so I got this a while ago at the thrift store. It's just this coffee mug. So I got 4 more just like it. There was 2 that had orange on top, and then one that's yellow and one that's green. I will insert a clip so you guys can see what they look like, but I was so surprised that they had this because this is one of my favorite mugs that I got from the thrift store. I did get this one for $1, and those ended up, oh, those were $1 too, because it was at half off for all colors except for orange. It was a green tag. It was $8, $4 for 4. It was $1. It was a pretty great price. My sister found this shirt, but it wasn't her size, it was mine. Let's see. It's from Fashion Nova, and it's like a wrap. It's white, it's like a cream color, and it's like a wrap with like a nice flowy sleeve. I'll try it on and insert that because that's a terrible shot. I also got this green dress from 21 Saints, and it's just like plain green, and it's got like the ruching. And then this black Calvin Klein dress. It's very like casual, and it's super long. So that's what I got. And then for books, I don't know how long this vlog is going to be because there's not much that we're doing today, so I'll probably like push it into tomorrow. Oh wait, ooh. I wanted to share with you guys a little bit from this book that I'm reading. This is Pray Confidently and Consistently by Valerie Warner. I've been reading this forever. But also, how cute is my bookmark? Very cute. I can leave that link down below. It's just talking about this chapter. It's just talking about learning to lament, doubt, and cry out to God. Basically, like, you know, I think sometimes we tend to complain about many things, but when we come to God, we try to come to God put together when He wants our mess, and that's okay. So like, she was like, so why do we complain? It's like, we complain because we don't see the full picture. Just talking about how we got the impression that we need to clean ourselves up before we come to God, but God longs to see us have full faith in Him and gratitude for everything we've been given. It doesn't mean the answer is to attempt to hide anything from God. We miss out on intimacy and knowing we are fully known and loved by God when we make it look like we have it all together. When someone sees all your quirks and bad habits and sticks with you, it deepens the intimacy before you know how fully loved you are. How can we develop intimacy with God if we're always withholding the parts we think He won't like? Isn't that crazy? I just thought that really spoke to me, because I think sometimes I can do that, especially even with people, not just God. It's kind of like being afraid to share myself with other people because I'm afraid of what they're gonna think, and I guess that's a people pleaser problem. The other book that I have mentioned before, like the fear of people versus the fear of God, but it's true. It's like we need to come to God as we are and pray to Him and not worry about saying this beautiful long prayer to Him and whatever. It's like just coming to Him and talking to Him and having intimacy with Him. So I really enjoyed that this morning. That was something I needed. At a Christian bookstore, we went there. I was actually kind of upset because I feel like they added less books that are more like faith, like growing. I forgot what is the genre of this type of book. I don't even know, like growth, spiritual growth books, and they added a lot more fiction, which I love reading fiction, but when I go to like those stores, I want to read, you know, I want to find the books that are going to help my faith. But they had a few fiction books, so I'm going to assume, which is probably not the best thing to do, but I'm going to assume that these are clean fiction romances. We will see. But this one is Meet Me in the Margins by Melissa Ferguson. I actually didn't even read the back. It was on sale, so I grabbed it. But I know it's about books. I've been on a roll with getting books about people that either read or are authors or are publishers. So that's been my thing. Then I also got from Bethany Turner, The Do-Over. We'll see. We'll see. And then from Amazon, I did place an order. I got technically 5 books, but one was for my mom. I got us both this book, Men Are Like Waffles, Women Are Like Spaghetti, by Bill and Pam Farrell. I got the one that's for married couples, or for married people, not the single edition. My cousin actually had ordered both of them, and she was reading them at the same time, and she said they were very similar, but she actually preferred the married one, so that's why I got that one. And I did give my mom a copy. So this is a book that our spiritual mama had mentioned a lot of times over the years, and my cousin actually bought the book, so she really loved it, and every time she kept talking about it, like I was like, oh, I need to read this book. So that's why I got it. It's talking about how men and women think differently, and just how we can learn to communicate with each other. Seems like it's going to be a great book. I'm sorry that the lights are so bad. I don't remember if I showed this book either. I will leave that link. I will read. No, what am I saying? I will leave this book link down below because I've heard it from very reliable people that this book is great, and my mom's enjoying it so far. She's reading it right now. I'm trying to finish this one and my little book, Battleship by Steve Currington, before I start reading another faith book. But my TBR list is so long, and I just haven't been in the mood to read, but I scheduled time to read. I know that sounds crazy, but I scheduled on my calendar time to read. The next book I got, which I've been wanting to read, is 11 Other Words by Christina Lauren, which is 2 authors. I do like their books, and I want to eventually get more of them, so I got one. I feel like that's a book that a lot of people have spoken about a lot and given it great reviews, so I'm excited to read it. Another book I got, I honestly don't remember too much of what this book was about. I saw someone mention it and I was like, oh, that seems cool. It's The Midnight Library by Matt Haig. Hopefully that is correct. Here's the cover. So we'll see. We shall see. The next book I got, okay, in October, I want to read more books that are season themed. So this is The X-Hex. I saw this last year going around, but I never read it, so I figured I would read it this October. It's just basically about a girl who is upset, and it's kind of like she's real spiteful and like revengeful towards her ex, I want to say. We'll see. I just read the author information, and it's interesting, so we'll see. Those are all the books that I've gotten over the past, okay, it's only been a week, so yeah, I'm going to just keep doing things, and I will catch up with you guys later. Hello. So I finally finished my room. I'm still in my PJs. Obviously, my room is not the most aesthetic, but it is functional. It is clean, it is organized, the things are where I need the things to be, and I think it looks good. You know, not everyone can have one of those Instagram perfect rooms, and I'm one of those people. I am a naturally very messy person. I have a lot of stuff, and yeah. This is way too close. Way too close. How do I? All right. Hello, welcome back. It is the next day. It is Sunday, and I actually just filmed a get ready with me for church that actually should be up already, because I'm putting in the footage now and I'm gonna edit. So I just figured I'd say hello. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna keep this vlog because I don't know how much I talked yesterday. So, and I don't know what else there is to show you. I shared with you guys my books, what I got from the thrift store, which wasn't a lot, and then in my get ready with me for church I just chatted and then also shared my church notes. So if you want to see that, I'll leave that link down below. But yeah, I don't know what else there is to say, so yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Right now I'm editing the video that's going up, that just went up Tuesday for you guys, and making this thumbnail. I'm trying to like make nicer thumbnails, and it's hard. I think I'm going to end the vlog. We'll see how much oh, this is leaking. I can't let that fall over. Yeah, so I figured I'd hop on here and end the vlog. Yeah, we're not doing much today. I think we're going to the movies in a little bit, and that's it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog. Not the most exciting content, but you know, it's real life. Me reading my Bible, me buying books, and eating. So yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video.